Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi Pad 2 and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down to find additional settings. Then let's tap on languages and input and tap on languages at the top. And here we've got the list of all available languages from which we can choose. So basically all you have to do is to find your language and then tap on it to apply it. I'll pick maybe Turkish. So as you can see, the language will be immediately marked, and after getting back you can see that the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. So basically in this device it's really easy. All you have to do is to find the language and then tap on it. Let me do it again. So I will set English and just find it, tap on it, and it will be immediately applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.